my favourite time of the year, the annual Hart family camping trip.
Have you got everything packed?
Yep, we're all packed and ready.
You packed the tent?
Yep,
The map?
yep.
Did you check the spare tyre in the car?
Honey, stop worrying. We're good to go.
Are we there yet?
Does it look like we're there yet?
What's taking so long?
It's a traffic jam. There must be an accident or something up ahead.
We haven't moved in ages. We need to make it there before dark or we're going to be in a bit of trouble.
Let's take a look at the map. Maybe there's another way to get there.
I'm bored. Want to play I Spy?
Here we go. It looks like if we take this road through the bush, it'll get us there quicker than this freeway.
A bush track? In this old car?
It'll be okay. The road's on the map, so it can't be that bad.
Okay. What's that sound?
It sounds like we've got a flat tyre.
I told you this car couldn't take this old dirt track. Thank goodness we've got the spare tyre. What's happening? Flat tyre. Cool. How is that cool? I don't know. I just like saying cool.
Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
The spare tyre. It seems to be flat.
You said you checked it.
Well, I didn't.
Oh, great. How are we going to get out of here?
It's okay. I'll call roadside assist and they'll come and help us.
Are you guys okay back there? Yeah, this is a fun adventure.
Uh-oh.
What now?
We don't have any phone service out here. I can't get through.
Oh, great. It's going to be dark soon.
That's okay. We'll set the tent up here for the night.
Here? In the middle of nowhere?
It's going to be more comfortable than sleeping in the car.
But what if a bear or a murderer comes?
Ryan, I think we'll be safe here. I'm going to go out and hunt some food for us.
Honey, do you even know how to hunt?
Well, I've seen it on TV. It can't be that hard.
Hey look, the fire's starting to go out. Here, this will help. Ryan, no! Not the map! Oopsie.
Ah, it's raining.
Quick, everyone in the tent. I'm glad we got this tent up before the storm came. What's wrong, sweetie? He's soaking wet. There's a hole in the tent. Oh, what? Oh man, now there's a hole on this side too. Oh no, quick, everyone in the middle. I'm hungry. I'm cold. I'm angry.
I'm sorry. I don't think anyone's going to come along this road.
You mean we're stuck here forever?
I'll have to walk back towards the freeway and I'll either get some phone reception or I'll flag someone down once I get there.
But it's so far.
Don't worry, I'll take the map.
Good one, Ryan. I didn't mean to. You need to tell Dad what you did.
Tell Dad what?
Nothing.
Ryan?
Just tell him. Last night, I accidentally put the map in the fire.
What? No map? We're lost and no one even knows we're here. We're never gonna get out of this place. Hey guys,
Joshie!
what are you doing all the way out here? It's a long story, but can you get us out of here? Sure thing. There's a rope in the back. Just tie the car up and we'll tow you back home.
Hi, Alex.
Hey cutie. I've never been so happy to see you. Love you too, Pipes.
What are you guys doing out here?
We bring Alex's Jeep out here sometimes to drive the rough dirt tracks. Okay, all tied up. Jump in the back, guys. It's time to go home.
Yippee!
If you want to buy any of the dolls or accessories in this video, check out our Amazon store. The link's in the description. You can buy all sorts: dolls, clothes, accessories, Barbie DVDs. Check it out and see what you can find.